Hey friends, if you wish to sync your computer with the internet time, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the detailed explanation. So here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button, then select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. You can either set the time zone automatically or you can select it manually as you wish. You can set this option to set time automatically. This is very important, and obviously show the time in the system tray and then click on sync now. Now wait for a few seconds till you get the tick mark here. Okay, and once you get the tick mark here, that is when the time will be synced, and you will notice that it would be the time as per the time zone which has been set. If you set the time zone automatically, it will automatically pick the location from the location settings and show the exact time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.